different topic. But then, this morning, ang paglilingkod sa Diyos may konsensya at dapat malinis. Now, a clear conscience is a product of a transformed mind with right attitude. Ibig sabihin, nagbago ka, tinawag ka ng Panginoong Jesus for a specific purpose, you are transformed but with a right attitude. Serving God is having a conviction that what you are doing is right before God. Let's take a look sa buhay ni Apostle Paul. He has all the list of Christians during that time at iniisa-isa niya yun, isa doon si Stephen. Sabi niya, I'm gonna persecute those who are coming to the way. But Paul received a personal encounter na yung araw na yun, nabulat siya sa silaw ng liwanag sa gloria at kaluwalhatian ng Panginoon. And then from that day on, moving forward, Paul, before a persecutor, now persecuted. Kaya ulitin ko sa ating lahat, ng paglilingkod pala ay mayroong klarado, malinis na konsensya. At yun ang kalugod-lugod sa harap ng Diyos.